Now I would like to call upon one of our graduating student, Rashika Lungani.
Wow, standing here today feels surreal. I really mean it. It's the first time I think I have seen any of us walk into a room on time. So kudos, guys. Good morning to the IIED board, faculty, students, parents, and our esteemed chief guest. First things first, congratulations to the graduating batch of IIED. We did it, and by we did it, I mean we survived sleepless nights, never-ending design juries, and the emotional trauma of files crashing at the very last moment. But most importantly, we survived the most unexpected experience of our lifetime, a pandemic. Today, we are a room full of people who were the first online batch of IIED and stand as a testament to the sheer determination and willingness to seek knowledge. Looking back, I remember my first day at IIED. I joined a Zoom meeting thinking I was going to be the next big designer in town. And during my first crit, Pankaj sir stared at a photo of my model for a good minute and then asked me, "Rashika, was this really intentional?" And that's when I knew I was in for an experience. An experience filled with Josh sir's "Wah, maza aa gaya" and Kishore sir's endless promises of toffees that I still have to redeem, sir. But then, suddenly, we all grew up. From foundation to L4, and my world shifted from explaining to my parents how burning paper and sticking rope with Elfie is a part of my education. Sorry to all the parents in house who have like a pile full of college projects who even the kabadi wala refuses to buy. To survival. Survival through back-to-back submissions, group project where at least one person disappeared, you know who you are. And the emotional roller coaster of realizing your concept looked way better in your head than in real life. Of course, there were high points too, like when we pulled off all-nighters and still managed to present our work looking semi-human. Or when we managed to turn our studio into second homes, literally, with mattresses, beanbags, Maggie, and enough coffee and Red Bull to fuel an entire city. Let's not forget the legendary site visits where we all pretended to take notes but were secretly just planning where to eat lunch. But then we grew up again and our fears changed. From being attacked by monkey during offsite, does anybody remember that? Bhumika ko monkey ne pakad liya hai? To the fear of knowing that we were going to be parting soon. L6 was a testimony to the relationship we built over 3 years. We used our friends as guinea pigs, test subjects, made them model our clothes, try prototypes. I know I took my friends to multiple site visits and exploited their photography things. Thanks again, Sia. I wish I could write more about my MDP and thesis, but I barely remember anything in those few months except a few legendary quotes. Like when Snehanshu sir, after listening to one of my ideas, said, "That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard." Ironically, that's a line I've not stopped hearing even after joining office. This is something a contractor would make. Were you sleeping when you made this? Conversations unsettle me when Rashika starts her presentation. That was quite a one. तुम्हें डिजाइनर बना रहे हैं गधा. रशिका तूने तो सब कर लिया होगा. हाय मैं मर गई, लुट गई, बर्बाद हो गई were heard quite often in the studio. And of course, Rashim ma'am saying, "Rashika, leave me alone," which I now have finally done. Beyond the chaos, IIED gave us more than just a degree. It gave us a family, a bunch of equally sleep-deprived, creatively insane, and wonderfully talented people who pushed each other to do better. We learned that design isn't just about building and spaces, it's about stories, emotions, and occasions, and the magically well-timed Control Z, Command Z for the Mac users. And through it all, the wonderful staff and our management kept everything running smoothly as our internal worlds and crits were falling down. So today, as we step into the real world, let's remember, deadlines will never disappear, critics will always exist, and Wi-Fi will still betray us at the last moment. But if IIED has taught us anything, it's that we can handle whatever comes our way with creativity, resilience, and a bit of humor. Here's to us, a crazy journey and a future as brilliantly designed as our best projects. Cheers and congratulations again.